Now, lightning impulse can come in various ways. Now, these are the few examples how a lightning impulse can come. For example, first one can be a long impulse and then followed by a subsequent short impulses. Then the second one can be a long impulse, very high impulse, followed by a long duration impulse, then a subsequent impulse. Then another possibility is a long duration impulse with a superimposing short duration subsequent impulses. Now, these are the various examples. It can be anything. It can be like multiple long duration impulses also. So here we have defined some parameters of how these impulses will react and how parameters they will have. First, we'll talk about the first positive impulse. That means the impulse which is generated due to positive lightning strike. Now, this is very rare. Generally, accounts for 5% of the total lightning impulses, lightning strikes. In the first positive impulse, peak current will have around 200 kiloamperes in level 1. Now, we all know that there are four lightning protection levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. In level 1, first positive impulse will have 200 kiloamperes current. Second, in level 2, it will have 150 amperes of current, kiloamperes of current. Level 3 and 4, it will have 100 kiloamperes of current. Now, one of the major important parameters is this average time, average steepness. That means di by dt. When we are talking in terms of a wire length, we know that impedance of wire length or the voltage drop across the wire length completely depends on the rate of change of current. See, in case of first positive impulse, di by dt is 20 kiloampere per microsecond. Similarly, in case of first negative impulse, di by dt is around 100 kiloamperes per microsecond. In subsequent impulses, you see the value of k, the impulse may be lesser, but di by dt is very high. That is up to around 200 kiloamperes per microsecond. So these are the parameters of a various type of impulses like positive impulse, negative impulse, subsequent impulse, and long stroke.